This video covers the use of the account analysis demonstration spreadsheet that comes with the Noetics Views Trial Edition for subledger accounting software. See the video using the demonstration spreadsheets for a general introduction, including enabling macros and data connections, and saving and sharing the reports. Let's access the account analysis spreadsheet from the Start menu. Excel 2007 users should see this security warning. If you do, click on the Options button. If an earlier time when running the spreadsheet you told Excel to trust all the macros digitally signed by Noetics, then all you will see the next time you open the sheet is the data connection area, as we're seeing here. Select the option to enable this content. This tells Excel it's okay to load the data into the spreadsheet from the Noetics views in the database. As it says in the Overview section, the Account Analysis Report displays subledger accounting and GL journal lines for a ledger, period, and accounting values. It can be used to identify discrepancies between SLA and the GL after the posting process has been run. This spreadsheet pulls data from the SLA Hub journal lines and the GL journal lines views. You can learn more about these views from the SLA catalog. Mismatches between the SLA and GL could be due to a number of different reasons, such as manual journals not processed by SLA because they were entered directly into the GL, or SLA lines that for some reason did not transfer to the GL during the posting process. Let's go to the Prompts tab and run the report. First, you must log in. Next, make your parameter selections. This report requires value for a ledger, a year, which is really used to narrow down the list of values in the next prompt, that is, the list of periods, and balancing segment. You can use the % symbol to represent all values for the cost center or natural account segments. In my example, I want to narrow down the analysis to cost center 580. There it is. And I want to include all natural account values, hence I select the % symbol. Now let's run the report. Note in the message area below the parameters is displayed the current tab being refreshed. To the right of the parameter entry box is a table that summarizes the amounts from the SLA journals and GL journal tabs. After we run this, if the totals don't match, you'll use the detailed data on the other tabs to find the other discrepancies. Once all the tabs are finished refreshing, you're automatically taken to the Subledger Accounting Summary tab. This tab displays the summarized SLA debit and credit amounts grouped by account type, accounting class, subledger application, accounting event class, and event type. This provides a fast, convenient way to view a summarization of your accounting data in a way not possible in the GL because only the SLA journals have the accounting event class and event type information. The Subledger Accounting Journals tab displays the detailed journal lines that are the basis of the summary on the previous tabs and in the summary table on the Prompts tab. To find SLA journals that have been accounted but not transferred to the GL, check the GL transfer status column. A yes indicates the journal has been posted, and a no means it hasn't. Also check the accounting entry status column. Values of draft or invalid are indications that the journal has not been posted to the GL. The data on both the SLA summary and this journals tab come from the view SLA Hub journal lines. Finally, the General Ledger's Journal tab displays the GL journals created during the posting process from the SLA journals on the previous tab, as well as those journals entered manually. The data on this tab comes from the view XLA GL journal lines. Now let's go back to the Prompts tab. Here we see in the summary table that the debit amounts match between SLA and GL, but we do not have a match for the credits. This means we're going to have to do some investigation. The difference we have is the GL is showing a credit amount of $1,000 greater than what's in SLA. That suggests to me that maybe there's a manual GL journal entry. Let's go take a look on that tab. I'll go over to the General Ledger Journals tab. Let's pull down the values for the journal source and unselect them all. Let's select manual, and sure enough we have one manual journal entry. If we scroll over to where the amount is displayed, we see that the line amount for this manual entry is $1,000. It is the credit amount. So that is what makes up the discrepancy between SLA and the GL journal lines. This concludes the introductory video on using the demonstration spreadsheets. Here is a list of other instructional videos you may find helpful for the setup and use of the Trial Edition software.